right, folks, welcome to another edition of Body Slam Wrestling. I'm your host, Wayne Carmichael. Got a real barn burner on the schedule for you now. Matt MacIntosh, the Irish Hand Grenade, taking on fan favorite Steve Off. Fans rallying behind Steve right at the beginning here. You got to give the size advantage to Steve here, but without a doubt the quickness to Matt MacIntosh. Bob Arian at ringside here on Steve's side. MacIntosh with a solid punch answering. Steve escapes that. Oh, into a crossface. He's got him right away. Oh, MacIntosh scrambles to get to that rope. He was in deep trouble there, and he knew it. Steve Off came to win here, folks. Second meeting of these two gentlemen. Seems like the two of them are still trying to feel each other out here. MacIntosh relatively new to the BWO locker room, while Steve Off, one of the staples of BWO for years now. Oh, Steve working on that arm. MacIntosh slips behind him. Nothing fancy about that. Club to the back. Steve with a solid headlock on. Takes him over. Head scissors. Going right after that arm again. No secret, these two gentlemen do not like each other. Oh, he's on the eyes there. Shut up. MacIntosh with a headbutt to the face. Roll up. Only a 2 count. Snapmare. Scott Hubie checking out the action, making sure everything's on the up and up. Steve with an elbow, trying to get out of this. MacIntosh is definitely in a position of leverage. Oh! MacIntosh not letting go. Backbreaker. Oh. The fans here at BWO clearly behind Steve Off. MacIntosh just dumps him out of the ring. Flying Irishman. Oh, not endearing himself with the fans here. That's not very nice, Mr. MacIntosh. And there's a crossface for good measure. I have to say you had that coming, young man. Oh, he's raking the eyes. Come on, Hubie, get on him. Oh, raking the eyes across that top rope. Fans, don't forget to check out the action at youtube.com/bodyslamwrestling. We will be putting up new matches every week. And don't forget to join us on Facebook. Facebook.com/bodyslamwrestling. MacIntosh smartly going back to that front chancery. The fans trying to rally behind Steve here, and it seems to be working. Oh, big clothesline and an elbow. Forearm, barely a 2 count. Keep calling for it. Lights out. Oh, oh. But some elbows to the head got him out of that. And a shot to the knee. Oh. Submission by MacIntosh. Oh, but Steve Off turns it out into the crossface. He might have him here. MacIntosh rolls him up. 1, 2. Oh, not even a 2 count. Some great back and forth wrestling here, folks. You'll be getting between the two of them. Oh, I think Scott Hubie got a little poke to the eye for what's good. Oh! Oh! And a super kick to the face. Steve Off might be out here. Got a shot to the crotch and then a super kick to the face. Not many men are going to survive that. Well, MacIntosh won this one, but he can't be proud of that win. And if I know Steve Off, this is not over. This is not over by a long shot. Thank you for joining us here, folks, at Body Slam Wrestling.